Let's scroll down. Now, I know this is going to be a terrible example, and it is. Well, let me start with this. How do you do that? It depends. So if it's the case that you do not have brand registry, then you cannot change your font size. Oops, I do not have access to that. That's a bumhole. You cannot change your font size at all, and you cannot change the style of your product description other than some basic HTML like bullet points and paragraphs and bolderizing. Is that the right word? Bolderizing. Emboldenizing. It is now. I just made that up. So you can't do that unless and once you get your own trademark, however, you can become brand registered, and that'll give you access to much more stuff. So that's how you are then able to make some changes and make your listing stick out. I am told anecdotally that getting brand registered increases your on-page conversions by a factor of at least 7%. So it's certainly worth doing just for that. 7% conversion if you're making a lot of sales. That's all money in the bank for you.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.